And look at the card. Look at the card. The card is barely touching the post, right? What I'm going to do now, let me just grab the camera. So let us start here. So of course I established just a post behind this is our first post, right? So what happens is from this post here, let us walk from that post to this one. Remember that it would be 24 feet, right? From that one down there, the first one there, to this one is 24 feet. And look at the card. Look at the card. The card is barely touching the post, right? Right? And then from this post, just go along from this post to this one here. It is another 24, right? And as you can see, the card is barely touching the post. So this post is marks out basically our second triangle. So that board post that we pass down there, that one, that was the first triangle. Now this one here is our second triangle, right? So let us move along. So let us move along. So from this post now, going up to this one is another 24. Right, it is just barely touching the post. And then from this post to the last post down here, look at the card. It is barely touching the post. And then now, again, from this post here, going straight across, just follow the line, right? Going straight across is our next 18 feet. And if you look down the alley, you will see that the posts, they are aligned along with the card. They are aligned perfectly, right? You see that? Yes. So this is our layout, and it is perfectly squared. If I should get a square, you know, that L looking thing, and I should put it in the middle of here, it would show that it is very square, because I worked with a perfect right angle, which is 90 degrees. And the square, of course, that they use is 90 degrees, right? So guys, we are basically finished. So what we are going to do next is what I'm going to do. So basically this video just serves the purpose of just the layout, that we can basically use the 3-4-5 method to lay out whatever we are going to build, whatever structure we are going to build, right? So what I'm going to do now, because it's a greenhouse, there are other measurements that I have to take. So I'm going to put the posts, I'm going to put them like 10 feet apart. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go through and I'm going to basically mark 10 feet. 10 feet in terms of distance between each post. And of course, we are going to put a post. This is the width. So we are going to put a post, and the width is 18, so we are going to put a post at 9 feet, because in the middle, so it's going to be the middle post going down, right? So I'm going to put that at 9, 2 9s, 18, so I'm going to put that at 9. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So let me just finish that up quick and fast. So 9 would fall right here, and all you have to do is just rest it along the card, because the card is already straight, right? Let us go to this one here. I'm going to measure 9, and I'm going to run this card all the way down to that middle post down there, right? So what we are going to do now is measure along the line. Let me get my spray can. So instead of putting posts there on the 10 feet, I'm going to use the spray can to mark the 10 feet, right? So what happens is that we already established our middle line. So our middle line, we are going to put the spray along the line so that we are basically, you know, in right proportions, right? From here we are going to measure 10, right? 10 feet, that is. So 10 is right there. So another 10 feet right here. To here is another 10. Then from there to here is another 10. Then from there to here is another 10. Is another 10. So that is another 10. Alright, so another 10 is there. 10 right here. So that's supposed to give us 90. We're at 90 feet already. I remember it's 96. So it should be measuring 6 feet from this one. 6 feet. Right. Alright, so let me start from down here again. So we're doing 10. Just jog it along the ground. 10. 10, another 10 here, another 10 here, then of course should be 6. Again, I'm going to start from down there as we did with the other two. So 10 feet. Another 10 feet. Right. Get 96. Basically finished with the marking. So I'm just going to get the camera and show you that the lines they are basically in line, right? Okay. So right, so there you have it. Let us go to the next 10 feet. So that's the paint. Let us go across. There's the other one there, the middle there, and there's the other one over there. Right, so it's straight. They are straight. Let's go here, the other 10 feet. You look across, there's the other one, look across. It's all the way over there, but it's basically straight. Here's the other one. You look across from it, right? Here's the other one. Basically going to be walking. Here's the other one. Here's the other one over there. Let me see if I go through here, if you can see. No. So I know maybe you cannot see the mark so clearly, but what I want to do is just give you instead of walking across there, I want to like stand up one place where this hole is and show you that it's lined up. Alright, look at this one. You see? There's the white right there. And if you look for the same pattern. There it is there, and then there you have the other one over at the end. Right? So they are lined up perfectly. And why? Why did that happen, or how did that happen? That happened because I used the 3-4-5 method. The right angle triangle is a perfect square. In terms of if you want to square a building, it is a perfect right angle, and once you follow it, you know, to the T, you shouldn't have any problem, right? So of course this one that we are at now is basically 90 feet. So here now at the end we basically have 6 feet, right? Because it's 96 feet. So guys, we are finished laying out the greenhouse, right? We are finished, and yeah, we are ready to dig the holes, right? We are ready to dig the holes. So of course, thank you for really, you know, sticking out and looking at what I'm doing, because it's very valuable information. It's going to even be more exciting when you start seeing the structure going up. So and when we start producing crops in the greenhouse, it's going to be a nice journey, and I'm just happy to kind of bring you along the journey. So thank you again for viewing, and please, if you have any questions, any comments, anything you have to say, just put them in the comment section. And guys, please subscribe to my channel, please. You know, we are Caribbean YouTubers. You know, we need to support each other, and wherever you are in the world, just support my channel. You know, agriculture is basically, for me, it is the most important industry in the world, and I'm so happy to be a part of it, and I'm so happy to, you know, to be able to add value to an already valuable agriculture system in the world. So yeah, just shoot me any comments or any questions you have in the comment section. Bye bye. Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it, so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.